But I'm gonna go ahead and hey guys, Eric Su here. Hope you're doing well. Hey, listen, I've got an awesome video here for you guys. I've got a new AT&T router that just came in to replace an old one that I'll tell you about. So stay tuned. Alright you guys, so if you're new to this channel, welcome, and I hope you guys hit the like button, subscribe button, and smash that notification button so you can get future videos just like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I know you guys will learn a lot about my new AT&T router, so let's get right to it. Alright, so this is a new AT&T router that I just got. Why, you ask? Well, it's because recently we had some bad weather, heavy rain and wind, high winds, enough to produce tornadoes in our area here in the Chicagoland area. Well, we weren't hit that bad, but our wireless router decided not to work. And so we were out of Wi-Fi for about 2 days, okay? And so I called AT&T to let them know what happened, and after doing their tests they decided that, well, they should just send us a new AT&T router. So this is it, and I want to do a quick unboxing for you guys so that you can see what we got. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna open this up. Okay, first thing you see in here is the packing slip. Okay. Second thing you guys will get is important information right in here. We'll see what that is. And then we got a return slip and instructions. It's called Ready, Set, Swap. Okay. And we'll go through that. And it says your Wi-Fi gateway is one smart cookie. Okay. All right, and we also got the declaration of conformity document that came with it. Okay. Awesome. All right. So those are the pieces of documents, and then we got a power cable. We got a power brick. It is a 12-volt power brick. And then the last piece of equipment here is the new router. All right. So according to AT&T, when I was on the phone with them, so it was pretty much a easy thing to switch out. And that's what the system looks like. It is the model 5268AC FXN. Okay, and if you ask me, this thing looks exactly like my old unit. Okay, but anyhow, they decided to give me a new one. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna, looks like it's been used because like the back of this thing looks like it's been kind of, I don't know, sticky. But anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. You can see all the connectors here. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and fire it up and see what happens. All right, let's go do it. All right, you guys, so I'm down on the ground here because this is where my old AT&T wireless router is. As you can see, it's all hooked up here, and it's also a 5268 ACFXN unit. So they're exactly, this one and this new one here is exactly the same. Okay, so I'll go ahead and swap it out. Looks like I can use the same power cord that I used before. Okay, so that looks about right. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this Ready, Set, Swap instructions here. Okay, it says before you start, allow up to 20 minutes to install your gateway. Your AT&T services will be unavailable while you're replacing your gateway. Unpack your kit. Okay, done that. Prepare to log in. Okay. All right. Let's see here. I'm going to use my download smart home manager. So I'm going to open that up real quick here on my phone. Smart home. Let's see here. Smart home. Okay. So we've got the smart home app. And if you're an ATT customer, you don't have that downloaded, make sure you download it. It's a great app. Okay. All right. So let's set up your internet. It should take 10 minutes. Okay. All right. It's actually pretty good because it actually knows that I have a new. So it's actually pretty good because it tells me that I have a new gateway, and it tells me let's begin to set it up. Pretty good. All right. Okay. It says step 1: find your broadband wall jack. Okay. So it is right over here. Okay, it's right over here. You can see right there. Okay. Okay, and so found that. Let's go to the next. It says connect green cable to wall jack. Okay, it's already connected from the previous the one. Okay, and now I'm going to connect the wall jack and put it in the green cable in the new. This is the new one, so I'm going to put that in there. Okay, done. Okay, power it up. Okay, so I'm going to take the power cord, unplug the old one, take the new one, plug it in. All right, gotta take the safety sticker off. Okay, just like that. And plug it in. Okay, plugged it in. Set it up. Okay, looks like we got power. I don't know if you guys can see, yep, power right there. Okay, good. So this is going to take about 10 minutes. So I'll let this run for 10 minutes and we'll come back and give you an update. So while we wait for this to fire up for the next 10 minutes or so, I want to talk about the return and how you do it. And so basically what you have to do is you have two options. It says, let's see, from what they told me in this document right here, it says how to return your AT&T equipment. Okay, so basically there's two options. You can just basically take this unit in to the UPS store with your account number, give them that account number, and they will box it up and ship it out. Okay, real simple and easy. The other option, number 2, is that if you don't want to talk to them, you can just use this return label they gave you in the box, put the unit in the old box, seal it up, and just drop it off at the UPS store. And either way, it works. Okay. They also want you to put in the power cord. Okay, so that's all you have to do to return your old unit. Okay, real quick, you guys, quick update. So as this thing was powering up, it basically has 2 other signals on here, and you can see broadband 1, broadband 2 are blinking. Okay, so it's a quick update. The app still says it's still setting up, so still not done yet. All right, and now it says service is on now. Okay, so that's the next light that's popped up. All right, you guys, we are getting mixed signals here. I thought I saw a red down in here for service, and then my app for some reason says contact support. So I guess it wasn't as easy, but let's go ahead and contact support.
A few moments later.
Thank you for calling ATT.
It looks like I have everything connected properly. There is a power light. There is a Wi-Fi signal is blinking. The broadband 1 is green. Broadband 2 is green. The service is green. Now, maybe 30 minutes ago, the power was amber, but it's now turned green. However, when I try to connect to my Wi-Fi, my phone says it cannot connect, or it doesn't stay connected.
Okay. Well, for this kind of concerns, Sir Eric, I can definitely help you.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it shows here, sir, and that the modem to the smart home manager is already online. So is it okay, sir, if we can like install it and then, uninstall it and then download it again? So.
Oh yeah, now it says network is online.
You're welcome, sir. So thank you as well for your time. And this is Gina, and please you have a good day. Bye-bye.
All right, thank you. Bye. All right, there you go, you guys. So it looks like all I had to do was to restart my app, and it looked like the router here automatically reset itself, and I think the ATT person might have refreshed on her end too the signal. Okay, so after approximately, let's see how long I was on the phone with AT&T. I was on the phone with them for about 50 minutes. Okay, so from the time I installed it until it was kind of working, about 50 minutes or so. It probably is be faster for some of you guys who install a new router, but for me it was about 50 minutes because I wanted to talk to someone at AT&T, let them refresh it. And now the other part is that I have a Wi-Fi extender that I am restarting as well right now, and hopefully that resolves itself and the Wi-Fi extender will work. You may have seen my Wi-Fi extender unboxing review, and if not, I will put it up here. Let's see here, this side. I will put it up on this side, and so that you guys can check out that Wi-Fi extender that I reviewed. Okay, so, oh man, looks like it didn't restart. Let me see here. Let me just refresh that app, see if it worked. Okay. All right. Let me double check. It says online, network is online. It tells me to return, internet looks good. And let's see here. Let's see what the network here says. All right, it says both of them are online. Connected devices. All right, I might have to restart it later. But anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and restart that, and that's it. And so that's my unboxing and review of this Wi-Fi extender. Let me just real quick here take a test to see what the speed test is. So I'm going to do a quick speed test. Not bad. It's pretty good. All right. I'll take it. Not bad. Okay, I guess it just has to kick in or something. But anyhow, Wi-Fi works pretty well. I'm going to return this other one, and that is my review. Hope you guys like this video, and if you do, remember to hit the like, to subscribe, and smash that notification button so you can get future videos just like this, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.